Hello guys, so if you're looking to activate PayPal on your Shopify store, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly go to your browser and open your Shopify store. Then click on the settings icon over here. Then from there go to payments and over here you will find PayPal. So click on activate PayPal. Now just simply again click on activate PayPal Express checkout. Now over here just simply click on I am not robot. Now enter your PayPal email address and click next. So after you enter your email address, enter your password, then hit login. Now after that, if something pops up, just simply close that and click on go back to Shopify. And now as you can see, our PayPal is now active and integrated with our Shopify store. So just simply click on manage. Now over here, if you want, you can deactivate your PayPal if you like to. Now go back and now the PayPal is active and integrated with your Shopify store. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.